In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video into a projection TV in Cinema 4D. We're going to take a video file and make it play right on the TV screen inside your scene. The idea is simple. We'll use the video as a texture, make sure it animates in the viewport and in the final render, and then add a touch of realism by having the TV emit light. Start by creating a new material. This material will hold the video. Open the materials editor and go straight to the color channel. Drag your video file directly into the color texture slot. Cinema 4D treats that video as an animated texture, so it will use the frames as the timeline plays. If your file is a common format like MP4 or MOV and uses a standard codec, it should load without any extra setup. Keeping the video in your project folder helps avoid missing file issues later. Now, apply this material to the TV's screen object. If your TV model has a separate screen mesh, drop the material tag onto that part. If it's a single mesh, you can still place the tag on the whole object and adjust its placement later if needed. But for now, just make sure the material appears where the screen is. Next, in the material editor, enable Animate Preview. This switch tells Cinema 4D to play the video frames in the viewport and also ensures the frames advance during rendering. Without this, you might only see the first frame. Scrub your timeline to confirm the video updates on the screen. If you don't see it move, check that Animate Preview is on and that your timeline includes the range of your video. It's a good idea to match or exceed the video's length so it doesn't stop early. For added realism, copy that same video texture to the luminance channel. You can do this by dragging from the color texture slot to the luminance texture slot to duplicate it. Luminance makes the TV screen emit its own light, which looks far more convincing than a purely diffuse surface. If the screen looks overly bright, you can slightly reduce either the color brightness or the luminance strength to taste, but the key is that the same video drives both channels, so the glow matches the picture. That's it. You've created a material, loaded your video into the color channel, enabled Animate Preview so it plays during work and render, applied it to the screen, and copied it to Luminance for that authentic TV glow. Press play and you'll see your projection TV come to life.